Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tasiri. I am 33 years old. I was from Cirebon 16 Maret 1992. I come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. I am Muslim. I am married. I have one children, 5 years old boy. My last education is junior high school. My weight is 78 kg. My height is 148 cm. I have experience job in Abu Dhabi 3 years, Singapore 2 years, and Abu Dhabi Ekman. From Abu Dhabi 2013 until 2016. From Singapore 2017 until 2019. From Abu Dhabi Ekman. My job is cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, take care of the children, 5 years old boy, the rabbit, and the dog. I can cook Indonesian food, for example, fried egg, fried chicken, fried rice, and chicken soup. I can little cook Chinese food, for example, steamed egg, fried vegetable, and chicken soup. I can handle pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I can take care of the baby, children, and elderly. I can wash the car. I can wash the clothes by hand. I go to Hong Kong because I need money for my family and my future. My contract in Hong Kong 2 years or more. I promise to be hard work, to be honest, obedient to my employer. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.